Well, hello, Naples Cat Alliance friends and followers and supporters and donors. These are the tile roof kittens. So the one playing with the moving thing, that is Tia. The ginger, so that's Tia. That is Tag. This is... That is Therese. They're kind of hard to tell apart. This is Therese. Oops. That's Therese, and this is Toa. You can tell from the back, but I wasn't really looking. So there are the 4 babies. Mom is hiding. Hi, Mom. Don't forget about our Sip and Shop, Sip Shop and Support. It's going on this Friday. There's a fantastic sign right here. We're going to be out front of on the Design District, 2nd Avenue North, from 5 to 8 p.m. this Friday. We're going to be out front of Chelsea's Happily Ever After and Twice as Nice. Going to meet cats and kittens, enjoy shopping while sipping on refreshments, and so it ought to be fun. So I'm not sure if the tile roof kittens are going, or maybe the Butterballs. I'm not sure. I'm going to take some. And they're pretty much, we have a huge waiting list for obviously all of these fluff balls. So I'll actually probably bring these guys just to get them out more. Since they were actually out too, and since they were found on the roof. Hi. Hi. Move that over. There you go. So we had Tag and Toa and Tia and Therese, Mama, from day 1, which honestly they're about, 10 weeks now or something, maybe more. They're just teeny. They're fluff balls, but they're really teeny. And then this is Tess. Hi, Tess. And Tess was actually found after a week. So she was up and away and still on the roof. And our amazing volunteer CJ found her again. Oh, here's a good one. I like this one too. Yeah, let's put this one out. There you go. This one is Toa's favorite. Hi. All right, let's see where that's positioned. Not too bad. All right, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy and watch the babies play. They're so cute. Look at Toa go. She's my favorite of this litter. At least so far. They're all favorites for different reasons, but she definitely has the most personality, at least with me. But Tess just came on, so Tia, who's underneath the footstool, playing with the bat that's hanging on the taco truck, fish taco truck. She's definitely the shyest of the group. And Tag is just a little motorboat. They're all girls. They're all females. So anyway, have fun watching them for a few minutes. I'll be back. on a taco truck. Well, that's not staying up very well. There we go. You get to see the messy closet too. Hi, Kittens. What are you doing? Hi. There's Tag. Hi. Oh, hi, sweet orange girl. You're an orange girl. Yeah, you're so special. Don't forget about our Sip Shop and Support this Friday. I'm gonna show you guys Mom really quick. Hi, Mom. Hi. 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 I know. I know. Are we gonna get too used to people? I don't know. I know. There you are. Hi. Hi. Oh, I know. Oh, I know. I know. It's so scary. You took such good care of those babies. I know. You took such good care of those babies. Those darling girls. Yeah. Good girl. So I basically just pet her till she stops hissing. Here's our sign about our Sip Shop and Support this Friday. And there's Tag. You can come meet these tile roof kittens. Hi, this is Therese. And that is Tia. Oh, and there's Tag. I see you, Tag. And this is Toa. Toa always looks like she has a dirty nose, which she actually does. Because she eats food and she's so cute, she sticks her face in it. And her nose is dirty, but then her nose gets really dirty. Hi. Hi. I know you guys aren't used to... Oh, that's so cute. Oh, that's so cute. Look at these kittens. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Come to our... Oops. Come to our Sip Shop and Support this Friday. We're going to be out front of Chelsea's Happily Ever After and Twice as Nice with some refreshments and these babies so you can come see them. Hi. Again, we do have a lot of interested adopters for them, but you never know. Sometimes people don't want to wait. So if you are interested in these babies or any of our other babies, go ahead and fill out an application. These babies are not litter trained, as you can see. They kind of like to go wherever they go, but they were living in an attic and a roof for 6 weeks, 8 weeks, a whole long time. So they didn't have any kitty litter up there. So we're working on that. So, but come meet these babies if you're interested in any of our babies. The best thing to do is to fill out an adoption application, which you can find at naplescatalliance.org. And fill that out and get your name on the list. If you are interested in these babies, go ahead and fill out the application, email it in, and just put that you're interested in the roof tile kittens. We also have the Butterballs. Let me take you to show you the Butterballs really quick. Oh, you can walk through our messy, messy loft. Hi, Butterballs. Hi, this is Cranberry. And that's Copper. That's Mama Autumn. That's Sochi. He's an astronaut kitten. He's not a Butterball. There's Leftovers. Leftovers, Mommy came over to visit the other day. This one is Sweet November. What's that? Oh my gosh, she's so cute. I can't believe we don't have anybody that is absolutely interested and has her name down. We have a lot of people that are interested in just a Butterball kitten, but she's amazing. In the basket is Victoria. Laying down over there, the other black kitten, that is Shannon. In the basket, I think that's Copper. And here's Autumn. Hi, Autumn. Hi, Autumn. You're such a good mama. So she took on the astronauts too, so they still like to nurse. They don't need to, but they still like to. There's her almost doppelganger, Cranberry. You can see they're getting much more playful. These are actually, talking about our sip and shop, these are actually some baskets that I got from Chelsea's, where we're going to be having our sip and shop. And as you can see, they like this one upside down. I fix it, I put other toys in it, Sochi helps. And then they knock it over. So the black and white is Sweet November. And the little one made of leftover parts, that's leftovers. And Sochi is actually a smoke kitten, so he was all black. Oh, they're so goofy. And there actually are 2 orange ones, but I don't see Chestnut right now. He's probably in the tube, though. So all of my paper, that's all a mess over there, used to be over here. But Mama decided she liked it, and the kittens would climb in there. And they would actually... What are you doing? What are you doing, Mr. Sochi? And the kittens would knock all the stuff off the shelf, so I finally decided to make it a kitten shelf. And then once I made it a kitten shelf, Mom decided she didn't want anything on there because she likes to lay on it without anything there. So she's kicked everything off. Really? Really, Sochi? Really, Sochi Noguchi? Really? What are you doing? What are you doing? What do you have? Hi, leftovers. This is actually one of our cameras. It's part of the Blink system, which we're not absolutely in love with, but we do really like it. And I can peer in on them at night or if I'm not in here. Hi! Leftovers has about 18 people interested in her, and she's already adopted. She is. You're so cute. She looks a lot like the tile roof kittens. Hi! Hi! So, hi. The astronaut kittens, they can climb out. So we basically put this here. So once they're old enough and they can jump out, they can jump out. It also gives Mom a break, so she can jump out. There's Teddy Bear. Hi, Teddy. And we have a crazy chair mat in the middle of our hallway because they love to scoot on it. And then we actually have this fantastic, super awesome looking fabric because they were climbing through. When I say it's all for the cats, it's all for the cats and kittens. And then we're back in the cattery. Aw. All right, I'm going to sign off. Don't forget about our sip and shop. Come meet these babies. Again, we're going to be out front of Chelsea's Happily Ever After and Twice as Nice. They're all located on 2nd Avenue North in the Design District. I think one of their addresses, I think it's Chelsea's, is 494 or 949. I'm sorry. I probably should know their addresses. But if you go to 2nd Avenue North and search either Chelsea's Happily Ever After or Twice as Nice, you will find them. And we will be there from 5 till 8 p.m. So thanks so much for watching. Please share this. Hi. And if you cannot come by because you obviously don't live in Naples or you're social distancing, I put some links where you guys can donate to. We're also doing a fundraiser where you can buy a Naples Cat Alliance logo t-shirt. And part of well, profits, quote unquote. They're actually more donations, but part of the cost of the shirts actually goes to Naples Cat Alliance, and you can actually make a donation on there as well. And let's see, where did Tag go? Is Tag back over with Mama? Oh, there's Tag. Hi, did you find the Whittle Mousey? Did you find a Whittle Mousey? She's so cute. So we actually have 3 ginger kitties. The other 2 are boys. Chestnut and Copper are boys. Tag is a girl. And there's Scaredy Mama Therese. Hi. What a difference between Therese and Autumn as far as people are concerned. Hi. But Therese hasn't been here very long. And you'll see that, again, they are not potty trained, so I actually have litter boxes and potty pads everywhere. But we're working on that. They're worth it. We're actually going to tear out all the carpet and put down wood floors or something that I don't have to worry about. Because I need to use our carpet shampoo and shampoo in here. But anyway, again, I'm going to go back and focus on the Sip and Shop. Sip Shop and support. Come out and support us. Come say hi. This is Quenby from QT Foster Kittens for Naples Cat Alliance. I will be there. I'm also going to be bringing Padme the therapy cat. So if you know of Padme, she was a foster win. She was, Leia was her mom. She was from the Star Wars litter. And she does great in the car, and she loves people. So she's actually going to be a therapy cat once nursing homes and hospitals and hospice units let us in. I actually have to do an online class too, which I haven't done because it hasn't been very pressing lately. And but she'll be able to go in and the difference, people ask often what the difference in a therapy cat and like an ESA cat, an emotional support animal, and a service animal. So the service animal is there for the person, and it's usually a medical condition where they have to have an animal, like they have diabetes and they could, you know, get low blood sugar, and the dog can usually sniff that, for strokes, for things obviously everybody knows about seeing eye dogs. So those are service animals. Those are animals you cannot pet because they're working animals. ESA are emotional support animals, and that's kind of a gray area. It's basically for people who feel like they need a companion animal to calm them down. Could be anxiety, could be, you know, any other, usually it's more of a, you know, mental health illness, which is an illness. You can't just get over stuff like that. Look at Toa. And then Padme, she's actually, here's her wall up here. So Padme is a therapy cat. So she will be visiting nursing homes and hospice units, and she's there for the patients. This is Padme's wall of fame. She actually was at the Kitten Lady event too, when she had that in Naples. And here are my foster babies. Look at all these babies. So she'll actually go there. So she has to listen to me, and I have to be able to control her, which again, 92% I think of therapy animals are actually dogs. So I actually have to take the dog trainer course. There's my little sign. I know the kittens are not spoiled, but yes, they watch YouTube every day. They watch squirrels. Squirrel butt! So she will go with me. I have to take a course and make sure I'm handling her, but she actually will be able to go to nursing homes and hospice units and hospitals and VAs and actually let the residents pet her. Hi, Tia. You guys have eye boogers, I know. You guys have fleas. I need to flea dip you. I know. We haven't gotten there yet. We're letting you settle in a little bit. They are closed in the cattery, so none of the other kittens can get in. And then I'll flea balm the carpet. And then I'll shampoo it. Or first I'll shampoo it. Hi, Therese. Hi. And one more peek at Tag. Hi, Tag. Hi, sweetheart. Anyway, that is your lovely view of the babies. I'm going to sign off now. And again, don't forget, this Friday, come meet them. Sip, shop, and support at Chelsea's Happily Ever After and Twice as Nice. This Friday, January 22nd, 5 to 8 p.m. in the Design District, located at 2nd Avenue North in Naples, Florida. So hope to see you there. Bye. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Please share. Thank you.